as you might know, today's not a normal vlog. We were a little bit busy today. We did a lot of driving, but I'm just gonna run you through what we did today with a few clips, and that'll be that. So we started our day off at our Airbnb up on the northern half of Iceland in Grenoble. From there we went on to the capital of the north, what's called the capital of the north, Akureyri, which is a city in the north of Iceland, has around 14,000 people. It's the second largest city in Iceland, I believe. And pretty much what we did there is we just stopped, got some gas, got a few snacks, and we just headed on for the day. Pretty much our day was driving. We drove about 6 hours to our first stop, and that was in Kirkjufell. Probably not saying that right, but what's new? So Kirkjufell is just it's a waterfall that's framed by a mountain in the background. It's famous in a lot of landscape photographers' pictures. So that was a really cool spot to check out. The weather got really nasty. On our drive today we had, I think, heavy wind, heavy rain, heavy snow, heavy wind, heavy rain, and then heavy snow again. More snow than I think we saw all winter in Canada. And we've seen it all in Iceland, but that's okay. From there we drove to one of the most western parts of Iceland through a national park, whose name I definitely cannot pronounce, I'm not going to try. And then we went on to a black church on the western coast of Iceland. It's known again for its pictures. And we landed here in our Airbnb for the night. This is actually our last Airbnb in Iceland. Tomorrow we head to Reykjavik. We're going to spend the day in Reykjavik, do a bunch of stuff in there. Hopefully get a hot dog. Hopefully get a hot dog. And then we go to the airport for the night. We drop the car off at 6. And we're going to spend the night in the airport because our flight out to Paris is at 6 in the morning. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going to happen tomorrow. But enough about what we did today. Please enjoy another highly anticipated episode of Lava.
Oh my god!
You're welcome. Hey, welcome back to the season finale.
Series finale.
Pending.
I think it's the series finale.
Maybe. Of Lavas. Because it's...
We're giving scenery.
We're giving it this... Yeah, okay, so... You know what? Today's our last Airbnb here in Iceland. Could you not put your foot in the shot, please? That'd be really great. Thanks. So today's our last episode in Iceland. We're in our final Airbnb. Tomorrow we don't have an Airbnb, unfortunately. We have an airport B&B.
We leave really early.
Technically, we do have an Airbnb. Airport. What is it? Is it bed and breakfast?
No. This isn't even a bed and breakfast, so it's just a bed.
Weird times.
We have to provide bed and breakfast. Let's
get crack-a-lackin'. So first up we have location, which is...
Good for you.
That's pretty good. Right now we are 2 hours away from Reykjavik, which is where we need to be tomorrow. So that's pretty much what I'm going to consider for location, and I'm going to have to give that a 4 out of 5 lavas.
Good. I'm going to give it... I feel like it would be like we're in the middle of like a field. There's like 3 other cabins around. Like Nathan said, we're 2 hours away. I think that's good. I think that's the right amount. We're up the western coast.
Yes, not the eastern.
Just a little bit.
Not the eastern.
I don't know. I'm also gonna give it a 4. Maybe 4.5. 4.5 lavas.
You really explained yourself for that one.
I did, yeah.
That's good.
Because you criticized me.
Yeah,
I don't.
Yeah. Next up, we have amenities. In here, you have pretty much your basic amenity starter pack. Got a microwave, a coffee pot, stove, kitchen.
No washer dryer.
No washer and dryer. There's a rose up there.
Yeah.
Lights. The shower, I might be able to stand up in, so that's gonna help it.
That's something that I didn't think we'd have an issue with, but almost every place it's been an issue.
So I mean, for me, amenities doesn't have the wash and dryer, so I'm gonna give it 3.75 lavas out of 5. You know, it's good, but I mean, I just stepped in some water outside. I'd love to be able to wash my sock.
I'll give it a 4. I'll just give it a 4.
Sure.
Straight 4.
Sure.
4 lavas out of 5.
Sure. Alright, next up, value.
Oh, we're clearly prepared.
I don't think it was that much. 210.
210.
That's pretty good. You know what value? I'm going to give 4.5 out of 5. When we're staying with 4 other people, it's only $50 for a nice cabin.
People.
4 other people.
Who else?
My imaginary friend is also here.
Oh, what's his name?
Willie.
Of course it is.
It's Willie.
I'm going to give it 4.
Oh.
I like it. I like it, but $210. I don't know. Yeah.
All right, next up, appearance. So, if you think back to our earlier episodes, I think it might have been episode 3, we had complaints that our log cabin wasn't actually a log cabin. Well, that's not the case here. Here, our log cabin.
Welcome to a fully log
It's a
cabin.
fully log cabin.
This is log all the way around.
You can still tell it's kind of new. It doesn't have that rustic log cabin feel, but it's still a log cabin.
It's got that nice wood smell, though. You know that?
The appearance, you know what? I like it. Don't hate it. 4 out of 5 Lavas.
Yeah, I agree. 4 to 5.
It's been a really calm episode, Lava.
Yeah.
Really weird. We're getting really good at this. Our next point now is scenery. So on to scenery. Lavas. There's some waves outside. Scenery, you know what?
The waves are absolutely wild.
The waves are just absolute boogies. You know? Just absolutely boogalicious. Other than that, though, there's not a whole lot going on. We can't really see behind us.
There is mountains back there.
You can't see them, though. I'm going to go 2.5 out of 5.
I think you can't judge based on the weather. I think it's...
I mean, I can't see them, though. I'm here now. I'm not here when it's nice.
But tomorrow morning is supposed to be clear.
I'll give an updated review if it's nice tomorrow morning.
I think it's going to be beautiful.
We will cut to B-roll of me getting out of the shower tomorrow, looking out the window if it's nice. I'll be clothed.
How are you going to get out of the shower clothed?
Watch.
Okay. I'm gonna give it 3.5 because I think it's really nice.
You think it's really nice?
We have the entire Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah, but that's it for our series of lavas. If we have a new project coming soon, we'll make sure we let you guys know first. Farewell.
Bye-bye.
So that was it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed our shorter episode. Again, like I said earlier, tomorrow is after Reykjavik. Should be a good time. Try and get a little bit more footage tomorrow. But remember, tomorrow can always do better. Hopefully see everybody there. Farewell, friends.